Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto noodles. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you're going to need a 1/4 cup of cream cheese, and you want that softened to room temperature. 2 tablespoons of butter, also at room temperature. 4 tablespoons of some kind of flour. I'm using carbquik. You could use almond flour if you don't have the allergies like we do here. Then you need 3 eggs, and then you're going to need some kind of like nutribullet, something to pulse it all up. I'm using a nutribullet. And then you need a large baking sheet covered in parchment paper. This one is 16 by 12 inches. So let's go ahead and get started. Preheat your oven to 350. Or I'm just kidding, 300. Alright, next you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 300 degrees, and then we're just going to combine all of our ingredients here in our nutribullet. Alright, this is what your mixture should look like. It's pretty watery, and I do like to take something and go along the sides, a spatula or something, just to get everything off of there. So next we are just going to pour this out onto our prepared baking sheet and just spread it out with the spatula. Alright, that looks pretty evenly spread out to me, and you want it to be really thin. So next we are going to go ahead and bake that as soon as our oven's ready for 8 minutes. Okay, my noodles just came out of the oven, so we just put them up here on top of the stove and let them cool to the touch, because then we are going to gently roll them and then cut them into noodles. So we're going to roll it to a log and cut them into noodles. Alright, my dough was cool enough to touch, so I did roll it up into a log. And next we are just going to cut little slices all the way down, as big or little as you want, however, what size noodles you want to have. And it is okay if you roll it up and it splits a little bit or breaks. That's not a big deal. Alright, I have my noodles cut here, as you can see. And like I said, it's as little or as big as you want to cook them. So I'll unroll mine so you can see what they look like. And these are already cooked. See, mine did break in the middle there, so that's okay. They're already cooked, so whatever you're making, you don't have to worry about cooking your noodles. You just want to throw it in there. I'd like to put them in chicken broth. Today I'm making some chicken noodle soup with them. I already have my chicken in a crock pot with my chicken broth, so it's up to you however you want to eat them. So we will see what Taste Tester thinks. Alright, my chicken noodle soup is all ready to go, so we're going to see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, Mom, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Bye.